Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my Health and Taste. Since the summers have started, we need something refreshing to energize our body and stay hydrated. So today I am bringing you my version of Virgin Mojito. It's very easy to make. All the ingredients I've mentioned in the description box as well. So let's see how we'll make this very tasty, refreshing and chilled summer drink. So for this we'll take few mint leaves. So here I have a plant at my home, so I've taken it from there. We'll put it in mortar, then we'll add some lemons. See how I've cut the lemons. So then using the pestle you just crush everything together such that everything mixes together and the lemon squeezes out. So now in the serving glass at the edges we'll rub some lemon so that the edges becomes wet. Now we'll put these wet edges in the salt so that the salt sticks to the edges, and then tap and remove excess salt. Now in this serving glass we'll put some ice cubes. You can put as many as you want, as much as you like. Then after putting ice cubes to this we'll add our crushed lemon and mint leaves such that the lemon juice also gets into the glass. So after pouring this in the glass we'll add sugar, powdered sugar or bura. This you can add as per your taste, how much sweet you want. Then after this we'll have to add soda to this. So one thing here I want to say is, like, if you don't want to add the salt at the edges of the glass, you can skip that, but then add little salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon in the while you add the powdered sugar. So once you pour in the soda, just stir it a bit using the spoon so that everything mixes together well, and then it's ready to be served. Serve it chilled. If you want, you can add some more ice cubes. Then you can even decorate it using a slice of lemon and few more mint leaves. This is ready to be served. Serve chilled and beat the heat in the summer. Enjoy it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.